Hello guys! Today we're exploring MetaHome and decentralized blockchain, organization that traces its history back to October 9, 2008. This day also marked the anniversary of Korea creating digital characters over 600 years ago. MetaHome started with about 20 early supporters, cults, who shared the vision of decentralized organization DAO. The platform supports early Bitcoin ideals such as decentralization and rewarding participants based on contributions while creating equal opportunities for everyone regardless of resources or location. The MetaHome team is decentralized organization of about 300 cult members focused on creating a new culture in the blockchain industry. The philosophy is simple. Cryptocurrencies gain real value when they reward contribution to the platform growth rather than just converting existing money into digital tokens. Project background of MetaHome: redefining trust in digital age in the modern digital society. User reviews and certification are components of trust-based economy. However, existing decentralized system faced the following challenges. MetaHome solved these issues using blockchain technology: insufficient transparency, fairness in platform data, lack of fair rewards for review authorities, and manipulated reviews and spread of false information. The vision and goals of MetaHome builds a healthy and fair digital certification ecosystem or trust all certification data via blockchain-based resources. So blockchain and technical architecture: review data cannot be altered once recorded, and record and stores review data on the blockchain to ensure integrity. Automates company certification procedures using smart contracts, and all processes are recorded on decentralized network itself. Automatically distributes meta token based on user activities. Return data ownership to user and companies, and combines on-chain and off-chain for efficiency and scalability. The tokenomics, guys, or the token economics, that meta tokens are given as a reward for user reviews and activities. Use meta tokens for purchase certificate products and services. So generate additional earning by staking meta tokens, and companies uses meta tokens to apply for MetaHome certification. The meta token creates fair value among ecosystem participants, like user write reviews, and then they receive meta token rewards, and the corporate revenue redistribution to user and corporation, guys. The ecosystem participant reward will have 60% of the allocation, and initial sale will have only 20%, guys. The development roadmap: enter the global market list on top 10 exchanges, achieve a user base of 5 million, and launch platform MVP, implement review, verification, and reward system, introduce DeFi features, and complete the starting reward or staking rewards system. Build a fully decentralized ecosystem. You can follow them on their email at metahome.digital, and MetaHome official on the Telegram, and MetaHome official on Twitter, and MetaHome YouTube on YT, guys. So this is the MetaHome, guys. It has a Korean language and English language right there, guys. Also, the Metaverse or the MetaHome, guys, is available at their website. So welcome to MetaHome, or the world genuine human, where bio and info T meets. In MetaHome, participant endeavor to create an ideal and healthy world, which is a long-time dream of humankind. I believe your effort will lead to appropriate rewards, transcending time and space. MetaHome will help you all communicate with each other wherever and whenever you are. And we'll advance until our dream world can be realized. Meta Home is the task. Not only can you lead a healthy and beautiful life, but also enjoy economic and emancipation within the ecosystem of Meta Home. Best wishes in Hung Yu Jung and CEO and Meta Home, guys. Okay? So this is the Meta Home. You can have our YouTube click right here, guys, the YouTube channel. If you subscribe, you will receive MetaCoin as a reward. You will be rewarded with MetaCoin for subscribing, guys. Greetings click referral system, guys. Okay, the swap system of Meta to other coins, HBTC. Okay, available here from 10, 25, 50 to max input quantity, and minimum swap is 3,000 Meta, guys. Okay, deposit and withdrawal also available here. You can deposit USDT, BNB, BTC, XRP, KRW, or ETH, guys. So I think that's all about this Meta Home. I hope that I bring you another information and another good project to learn about. So this is Crypto Hasi, guys. Bye-bye.